Hey guys, if you saw my Mars 3 review, you'll be aware that one of my main concerns was that the printer is locked into using ChiTuBox only. Now whether you like ChiTuBox or not, the inability to use other slicers is a big concern. For instance, I love Lychee and I don't want to be shackled to using ChiTuBox, which has serious performance issues for me. Well, I've been in communication with Elegoo, and as is typical for this company, they've been fast to react. In an email they sent me this morning, they said, "We are in active communication with ChiTuBox on this matter, and we are trying to get them to make the motherboard open source. Please be assured that the motherboard we end up with for our Elegoo machines will always be open source. If ChiTuBox does not agree to open it up, we will look for other alternatives and choose another vendor." So there you go guys, Elegoo has listened to the feedback from its customers and responded in a very positive manner. Personally, I'm impressed and congratulate Elegoo for being so proactive. The pressure is now on Frozen and other manufacturers to do the same. As for the Z-Wobble matter, Elegoo have had me running a few simple tests on my printer to try and establish the cause for my wobble, though of course it could be my age. They also assure me that they are taking my findings seriously and are making a survey amongst the review models to find out if this is a widespread issue or not. So there you have it guys. All in all, well done Elegoo.